You know that moment when someone says, let's benchmark our performance, and every introvert in the room quietly wishes to benchmark their way out of the meeting? Yes, that one. But here's the thing. Comparison, when done right, is not about competition. It's about calibration. For introverted entrepreneurs, business owners, and marketers, best practices aren't about being the loudest in your industry. They're about finding quiet, measurable excellence, and then improving on it. Let's start with the basics. Step 1. Choose your benchmarks wisely. Don't compare your small, focused consultancy to a multinational giant with a marketing department the size of a small city. Instead, look for businesses that share your scale, audience, and style. Study their processes, not just their results. Ask, how do they communicate value? How do they retain clients? How do they structure offers? Benchmarking isn't imitation, it's investigation. Step 2. Identify key metrics that actually matter. As introverts, we often prefer depth over noise, and your data should reflect that. Forget vanity metrics like follower counts or viral reach. Instead, focus on metrics that track meaningful engagement, such as conversion rates, customer retention, and lifetime value. In short, don't measure how loud you are. Measure how effective your quiet is. Step 3. Make comparison a habit, not an event. Benchmarking isn't something you do once a year because a consultant told you to. It's a continuous, gentle pulse check. Set up quarterly reviews. Track shifts in your industry. And when you find someone doing something better, don't copy. Deconstruct. Ask why it works. Then adapt it in a way that fits your temperament and brand. Step 4. Document your insights. Introverts often think better in writing, so use that. Create a simple benchmark journal. Note what others are doing well and what you can experiment with next quarter. You'll be amazed at how clarity grows when you give your thoughts a quiet place to live. At the end of the day, comparison isn't about outshouting your competition. It's about finding patterns in the noise and using them to outperform quietly. Want to go deeper? Read the article linked in the description below to learn more from Mauco Enterprises.